Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete a bucket here in Microsoft Planner. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Microsoft Planner, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Deleting a bucket here in Microsoft Planner is a simple process because once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the My Plans, where it includes your bucket. If you haven't already, just click the Create a New Plan. For example, you can start with the Basic, and from here we can rename the plan. Click the Create option, and from here you would be forwarded to your plans dashboard wherein you can add a task, right? And you can add a bucket here. It's very easy, really. Now, couple of things. Remember that a bucket represents a project or set of tasks that are no longer relevant or you might have completed. Deleting it helps you keep your board organized and free from clutter. If you want to delete this, all you have to do is click the More option here that says Delete. It's very easy, all right? And you will be prompted with this pop-up that says all the tasks in this bucket will also be deleted, all right? So you have to be aware of it. Now, deleting a bucket that no longer fits into the new structure can simplify the overall board because, for example, I'm going to add a lot of buckets here. So you see your dashboard's going to be a little bit cluttered, all right? If the tasks are grouped under a bucket, all right, deleting the old bucket allows you to consolidate tasks more effectively. So this is going to be useful if you're working with multiple freelancers, with collaborators, with your client or your boss. So, you can organize if the tasks are being moved and the bucket no longer aligns with your workflow, all right? Deleting that eliminates the unnecessary steps and making your planning process more streamlined. For example, when a project is already complete and you are transitioning to a new phase, deleting the old buckets that no longer align on the ongoing phase can prevent the outdated information from lingering in your board. Too many buckets, as you can see, can create decision fatigue for team members, so deleting less relevant buckets can help them focus on the essential tasks. But make sure you have the admin privilege because if you are not the Microsoft Planner owner, you're not going to be able to delete a bucket here. Okay? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.